Have you ever wondered why we can't live on Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system? This colossal world, over 11 times the diameter of Earth, commands a significant position as the fifth planet from our Sun. It's a celestial marvel that has fascinated us for centuries. But despite its size and allure, our survival there is an impossibility, a question that often sparks intrigue. What makes Jupiter so inhospitable to life as we know it? Let's unravel the mysteries of this giant planet. Did you know that Jupiter is so huge that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it? A truly staggering fact, isn't it? This gas giant, the largest planet in our solar system, is a spectacle of cosmic proportions. Just how big is Jupiter? Well, let's put it this way. If you were to line up all the other planets in the solar system side by side, they'd still fall short of matching Jupiter's colossal size. Now, that's what we call a heavyweight champion. But Jupiter isn't just about size, it's also about substance. Primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, similar to our Sun, it's often referred to as a failed star. But don't let that fool you. Jupiter may not shine like a star, but it has a magnetic field that's 20 times stronger than Earth's. This massive magnetic field, the strongest of any planet in the solar system, creates stunning auroras around its poles. And then there are Jupiter's moons. With 79 known moons to date, Jupiter could almost be considered a mini solar system of its own. The four largest, known as the Galilean moons, are in themselves fascinating worlds. One of these, Ganymede, is even larger than the planet Mercury. But Jupiter isn't just a giant ball of gas with a bunch of moons. Its rapid rotation, a day on Jupiter is just under 10 hours, the shortest of all the planets, creates an intense and complex atmosphere. This leads to the formation of bands of clouds that encircle the planet, making it a truly striking sight. However, don't pack your bags for Jupiter just yet. With no solid surface, crushing pressure, and deadly radiation levels, it's not exactly a vacation spot. The intense storms and high-speed winds exceeding 200 miles per hour would make any visit a rather stormy affair. But the most intriguing thing about Jupiter is its stormy atmosphere. This is just a glimpse into the fascinating world of Jupiter. With its size, composition, magnetic field, and moons, it's truly a marvel of the cosmos. One of the most distinguishable features of Jupiter is its Great Red Spot, a storm that has been raging for at least 300 years. This storm is more than just a spot. It's a violent, persistent, high-pressure region in the atmosphere of Jupiter. It's so large that it could swallow Earth whole with room to spare. Jupiter's weather, however, isn't limited to just the Great Red Spot. The entire planet is a swirling mass of clouds and storms whipped into a frenzy by winds that can reach speeds of over 300 miles per hour. This weather, combined with the planet's dense atmosphere of hydrogen and helium, creates a hostile environment that is far from conducive to life as we know it. The extreme temperatures, high radiation levels, and lack of a solid surface further amplify Jupiter's inhospitable nature. So, it's the stormy and inhospitable nature of Jupiter that makes it unsuitable for human habitation. Jupiter's system of moons is a mini solar system in itself, with over 79 known moons. Each of these moons holds its own unique allure. For instance, Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, is even bigger than the planet Mercury. This celestial body is the only moon known to have its own magnetic field, a fascinating feature that sets it apart. Then there's Europa, another of Jupiter's Galilean moons, named after the astronomer Galileo who discovered them. This moon may look like a frozen wasteland on the surface, but beneath its icy shell, scientists believe there could be twice the volume of all Earth's oceans combined. The possibility of a subsurface ocean teeming with life makes Europa a tantalizing target for future exploration. Such diversity among Jupiter's moons, from volcanic Io to crater-ridden Callisto, offers a plethora of opportunities for scientific discovery. These moons add another layer to the intrigue and beauty of Jupiter. To sum it up, Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is a world of extremes and wonders. Its sheer size is mind-boggling, far surpassing any other planet. It's a stormy giant with an atmosphere that's constantly raging with cyclones larger than Earth itself. And let's not forget its impressive assembly of moons, over 60 in count, each unique in its own way. While we can't live on Jupiter, studying this giant planet helps us understand more about our own planet and the vast universe we live in.